Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let us look at this topic, partial differential equation. Are those equations which contains partial differential coefficient, independent variables and dependent variables. The independent variables will be denoted by x and y, okay? And the dependent variables by what? By z, okay? So these are the sign. Look at the sign. So we have all this one. This one is what? Look at this one. This one is x here is one dependent variables. The same thing. This one is also what? Independent variable, and z is what? Dependent variables. Now let us look at the classification of second order equation, right? The general linear partial differential equation of second order in two independent variables is of the form. Look at this one. We have a the u square over the x square plus b, this one is coefficient, the u square over what? The x, the y plus the u square, the y square plus this value here. Now, our motive here is what? To want to classify this second order into what? Either elliptics. A partial differential equation is said to be elliptic if b square minus what? 4 is less than 0. Parabolic if b square minus 4 is equal to 0. Hyperbolic if b square minus 4 is greater than what? 0. So what does that mean? Look at this value here. Don't forget this a can take anybody, it can be 2, it can be any number here. Now look at this equation now. The question says classify the following equation. Okay. Now note the u square, the x square, I can write it to be what? U subscript xs, okay? The same thing here, this one can be what? Ux subscript xy, okay? Now, want to classify this equation now. Here now, if you can look at this equation now, I've reduced the equation here to this form, okay? This equation here now, I've reduced it, okay? It can become us, this one can be what? Uxy here. Now, the coefficient of the u square, the x square is what? Is 1 here. Put your 1 here. But my b here is what? The u square over the x dy. This one is what? 8. And my c here is what? 16. Okay. Now, my b is what? Just put your what? A square minus what? A is what? 1. My c is what? 16, right? This one can be 8 times c is what? 64. 4 times 1, 4 minus 4 times 16 is what? 64. It means what? This one is what? 0. According to the properties of this one, it means whatever if b square minus 4 is equal to 0, it is what? It is parabolic, okay? That is, this one is what? It is what? It is parabolic, okay? Parabolic, okay? Since b square minus what? 4ac equal to 0, okay? Now let us solve the second question here. Now, when you look at the u square, the x square, it means for my a is what? 1 plus m square. Now look at this one. The u square, the x, the t, it means for my b is what? 5 plus what? 2m square, right? Now the u square, the t square is what? 4 plus m square, okay? Note here my dependent variable is what? Is u, while my independent variable is what? Is x and t, okay? Now, my b is what? 5 plus 2m, everything was square, minus 4, my a is what? 1 plus m square into my c is what? My c is 4 plus what? M square. Now let me open this bracket now. This one can be what? 5 into 2m square into what? 5 plus what? 2m square minus, so let me open this thing out, okay? Let me open this equation out. Now 1 times 4, this one is 4. 1 times m squared, this one is m squared. M squared times 4, this one is what? 4m squared. Okay. M squared times m squared is what? M raised to power what? 4. Okay, now let me open this bracket as well. We have 5 times 5 here is what? 25. This one 5 times 2m squared, this one will be what? 10m squared. 2m squared times 5 is what? 10m squared. Okay. We have 2 times 2 here is 4. M squared times m squared is what? 4m squared. Okay. Minus 4. Let me just, this one will be 4 plus what? M squared plus 4m squared. This one will be what? 5m squared. Plus what? M raised to power 4. Okay. Now this one we have 25 plus 10m squared plus 10m squared. This one will be 20m squared. Okay. We have what? Plus 4m raised to power 4. Sorry, this one is 4m raised to power 4. Now let me open the bracket here. We have minus 4 times 4 minus 16. Minus times plus minus 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, we have m squared, right? Minus times plus is minus 4 times 4m squared. We have what? 4m squared, right? Now when you look at this one, let me collect the light time. So let me make it to be, this one is what? 25 minus what? 16. We have for 20m squared minus what? 20m squared. Okay. We have 4m squared. 4m raised to power 4 minus what? 4m raised to power 4. Okay. 25 minus 16. This one is 9. 20m squared minus 30m squared. This one is what? 0. This one is what? 0. That is, this one is what? Is 9. Now let us look at the properties. Let us look at the properties now. Now look at this one. PD, partial differential equation, is said to be hyperbolic if b squared minus 4ac is equal to what? Greater than what? 0. It means our solution here is what? Is hyperbolic, since b squared minus 4ac greater than what? 0. That is 9. It is what? It is hyper. Sorry. This one is what? Hyperbolic. Okay. That's simple as that. Just go through it. Now, here is your assignment. Exercise. So, look at this question. Because it classifies the following equation into elliptic, parabolic, or hyperbolic. Try to what? Solve this. I want to see the answer.